after Hurricane Gilbert, like Hurricane Melissa's impact on housing, a lot of roofs were lost. And at that time, 1988, remember, 37 years ago, a lot of roofs in Jamaica were made from zinc. Yes?
Okay.
And when Gilbert struck right across the island, those zinc roofs went. They flew. They were blown away. Yeah?
Okay.
And there was a need for a lot of zinc to be imported in Jamaica. Yeah? And
Okay.
a lot of zinc came in. Yeah? And then it was discovered that the zinc that was imported, yeah, were being stolen
Okay.
and end up in the possession of people who didn't lose them roof or didn't have zinc roof in the first instance.
Okay.
And there was an inquiry, and that led to the zinc scandal.